Jax is probably stepping out on Tara, who is in prison because of the life he put her in. This is so gross. Episode 3 of Sons of Anarchy Season 6 just finished. And I hate Jax. He's hot, whatever. But, he was gonna cheat on his wife again. And just saw the hooker sleeping with somebody else. So he was like, oh, I better just go. But hello, what was he thinking in the first place? You know, she does it for interest, not because she likes you. You know what I mean? It's business for her. And you're cheating on your wife? Oh, so gross. I mean, it's just like men to hit a little bump on the relationship road and then just go hook up with. Otto killed the law guy, which is like great because he was such an asshole, making everything was for everybody. I see where he was coming, but still, you know what I mean? Good episode 4. At least a good ending for episode 4. Well, Tara faked her miscarriage, blamed it on Gemma, but come on, Gemma, come on. I mean, I'm sort of on her side and I'm sort of on Tara's side. But I feel like she's going about it the wrong way, but I can understand when you feel that out of control.